Yep.
Okay. Are you bored of picking up tissues with your hand? Don't you want the tissue to come to you? Well, here you go. The tissue pickup master now gets that tissue to your hand. Just by inserting 3 marbles, you get a tissue at a reasonable reach. It's just like putting a quarter in the machine to get a gumball. It's amusing, it's fun, and you get your tissue. Great for spring allergy season. Go get it.
Good enthusiasm.
Yeah.
Alright, just stand to the side so Mackenzie can get a good.
I know, I gotta set it up.
Okay.
Does it bring up the flag?
Grab some paper towels. We're just going to toss them.
Nope.
Nobody gets electrocuted.
Well, that also, yes.
Conveniently placed sockets.
Alright, I don't know. Okay.
Whoa.